to serve notice in the legislative arm of government based on the presentation that you will be making adequate presentation in the supplementary budget to meet its needs. And finally, Honorable Speaker, you talked about 250 billion naira being made from cashew nuts. I was a little bit alarmed. I just needed some clarification. Because, as you know, when we do budgetary, the budgetary process, we start with the revenue profile. And I don't remember that being part of our revenue. Now, were you talking about individuals and businessmen making 250 billion for the government? Now, if it was individuals, what came to government's coffers? So that we will know how well we can diversify, how important this diversification of our economy is. Thank you.